Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Get Glam by Sarvani. How are you all? If you are new here, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification from my channel. Today I am here to show you the basic soft nude makeup look. So without any further ado, let us jump into the video.
Firstly, I am cleansing my face with Garnier Micellar Water as it is an important step in the skincare. Next, I am toning with Jovis Rose Water and waited for 5 seconds to get into the skin. Starting with eye makeup is my basic process, so I am concealing my eyes with cream concealer palette called Ferrarici and setting with some compact powder. Now here I am taking NYX Ultimate palette called Neutrals. I am taking a lighter shade than my skin tone as the transition shade. I am started blending towards my inner corners. The eye makeup is based on blending and blending and blending. Now I am taking the darker shade than the previous shade and added as outer C at the outer corners. Now taking a satin shade with fingers, I started applying on middle of the eye. If you don't like the satin shade, you can leave it as a brown shade. Here is my makeup. Then I started moisturizing with PAC moisturizer. I applied Himalaya lip balm to moisturize my lips for the lipstick. Then taking color bar primer, rubbing between my palms and applied around my nose, mostly on the T-zone area where I generally have pores. Then I took a dewy foundation called LA Girl in the shade of Nude Beach with a foundation brush and started applying all over my face and neck. Don't forget to apply on the neck too. Then I am using a dampened beauty sponge, that means not too dry and not too wet, to take off the extra foundation on my face. Then I started concealing my under eyes and acne scars with LA Girl Medium Beach Concealer. I don't need corrector, so I jumped the step. Then I took the Kryolan translucent powder to set my under eyes and T-zone area. I took MAC NC35 compact powder to apply on the T-zone area. If you have dry skin, you can skip this step. So as to add a little flush on cheeks, I added Makeup Revolution blush in the shade Sugar and Spice and added Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick as a highlighter. Again coming back to eyes, I curled my lashes and applied a vigorous coat of Maybelline Colossal Mascara by not leaving the lower lashes. If you want a glam look, you can add fake lashes too. I applied Lakme Iconic Kajal on my lower lash as a substitute for eyeliner. Then I groomed my brows with Elegel Brow Kit starting from center of the brow. The eyebrows give the shape to the face. The last and everyone's favorite step is lipstick. This is my favorite nude lipstick from Smashbox in the shade Stepping Out. The lipstick changed the entire game of makeup. So here is the final look. There is no need to use same products as mine. You can use your product as per the availability. If you want me to explain in Telugu, please let me know in the comment section below.
This is my final look. Hope you like this. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification from my channel.